So here I'm baking a potato pudding, and I have 2 cups of flour, sugar, and a cup of cornmeal, refined cornmeal into this, and some salt, a tip of salt. So now this is my ingredient, my vanilla and some cinnamon powder. I'm going to add also to the dry ingredients there. And this is some nutmeg that I'm going to also add. And I have some raisin. I'm not ready to put it in yet. And I'm going to add my vanilla to my liquid ingredients. And I'm going to mix around all these dry ingredients. Okay guys, all these dry ingredients, flour, sugar, refined cornmeal, and some cinnamon powder, and nutmeg, and a tip of salt. Okay, and now I'm going over to my blender to blend my sweet potato. Okay, so and guys, this is my blended sweet potato that I have blended. This is my sweet potato that I've blended. A bowl. This is my sweet potato that I've blended. So now I'm gonna add it to my dry ingredients. So the flour and sugar. So here's the next bowl of my sweet potato that I'm gonna add. Right. And it has blended out so smoothly. And I'm going to mix this around. The whole big container, huge container. And this is the remainder of my coconut milk and vanilla. And I'm gonna add some in here. This is the tin coconut milk. Very tin coconut milk that I'm using. I'm not using the dry coconut, which is the tin coconut milk. Now I'm mixing this ingredients together. It's so smooth. That's blend so smooth, guys. And I'm gonna add the remainder of the milk. And if it looks like a tin too, you can add some more flour in it. It looks too thin too. Okay. And guys, this is my pudding. Have lots of gel on it. See the gel all around it. Guys, lots of gel. It's on it, guys. This is my pudding.